dito, baliktad yata yung play nila ron. So ilalim yung si Apay Pong. And
The game is getting closer as the Philippines have scored the last 4 possessions in a row.
Not only is this a good Philippine team, they are really taking this one serious. They've compiled this team. And with a foul is Alan Kaidik. That will be his first foul. And in the half, the Philippine national team called for their third. The Hawkeyes also have 3.
larong ito, Dr. J.
Different look ang binigay ni Coach Tim Kong. We have Johnny Abarientos and Olsen Rosella in the backcourt. Alan Kaidik will play small forward. Jun Limpot.
Meantime, we just saw Diddy Bry of Thailand score on a fast break play. Ayan si Marco Aquino. Dito si Alan Kaidik. It's a PLDT long distance shot.
You know, I was adopted myself as a kid from the
Members
Philippines.
ng national team nila.
Samantala, narito naman, si Alan Kaidik talaga naman naglalagot dito sa umpisa ng umpisa po nitong labang ito against Thailand. There goes Alan Kaidik again. Flawless shooting by Alan Kaidik, and that was a PLDT long distance shot.
Well, ang nangyayari ito,
How's everybody in Philippines?
PBA Centennial team, so it's a totally different story, but the Thais, I'm sure, would like to show.
I know a lot of things that you're probably going through, and don't nobody feel them like the way that you do. And you won't talk about it when I say what's up. I guess that means that you're down on your luck. No sunshine, just gray skies. And I know it's so hard just to stay alive when your whole life seemed like one lie. But you can make it, all it takes is one try. It's your life, everything don't always seem right. You don't always have to be right. You gotta be strong sometimes in your life. If you fall down, just know it's alright. 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 Alright. It's alright. It's alright.
Just close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
This gray skies. Just dry your eyes.
Just dry your eyes.
You can make it, baby. You can dream.
You can dream.
You can dream.
You can dream.
You can dream. 'Cause you can make it, baby.
It's just another day, so it's something new. So how you gonna act like it's all through? Everybody get clouds on a sunny day. It can always go good or go your way. They used to
Barrientos, here's Marlo Aquino at high post. Ayun naman si Alan Kaidik from the corner. That one looked like a goaltending violation. And it's Billy Fry acknowledging that. Pababa na talaga yan. Kita naman.
Philip Ray, alam natin, naaalala ko yan. It's like an expatriate. Yung mga film episode. Sleeping in.
It's alright. It's alright. Alright. It's alright. It's alright.
Just close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Under this gray skies. Just dry your eyes.
Just dry your eyes.
You can make it, baby. You can dream.
You can dream.
You can dream.
You can dream.
You can dream. 'Cause you can make it, baby.
Parang kailan lang ang mga pangarap ko'y kay hirap abutin. Dahil sa inyo, napunta ako sa aking nais marating.
They're shooting from the outside, but they don't come back and play the transition defense. Yan na naman ang takot ni Marlo Aquino. Takbuhan na naman ito, Ed.
Bagay, nakababa kagad ang Thailand sa depensa. Fancy pass by Alan Kaidik. Nakasik, pero napulog ko ni Jeffrey Carriazo.
Assist kaya para kay Alan Kaidik yun dahil tumaan muna sa isang kalaban. Gusto niya talagang pumasok palabas ay bumalik doon, napunta kay Jeffrey.
Okay rin. Pwede rin yan. Okay, so Jeffrey Carriazo. Ito talaga naman binubuhos na naman.
You can dream. You can dream. You can dream. You can dream. 'Cause you can make it, baby.
Parang kailan lang ang mga pangarap ko'y kay hirap abutin. Dahil sa inyo, napunta ako sa aking nais marating.